all-new Pivot Switchblade. We're out here at the shadows of South Mountain where this bike was born, and it's time to get a first impression of how it rides. Now, what they did with this bike is pretty impressive on paper. They touched everything, made a bunch of key changes, but the question is, will that duck keep quacking as I'm talking? All right, the main question is, after touching pretty much everything on this bike, was the team at Pivot able to keep it as awesome as the last version was? That's one of my favorite bikes, one of many people's favorite bikes. So this thing does follow the trend of a little bit slacker, got a little bit more travel in it, but one thing that's unique is the chainstays aren't any shorter. So the goal was high speed stability, but still keep some decent playfulness and make it a bike that's very well rounded. Now, I can't think of any better place than those trails out there to go rip this thing and let you know what I think. Well, we're here in the majesty of Sedona. No better place to wrap up the first impression of the all-new Pivot Switchblade. So what can I say? Well, it's a star, it's a star, it's a star. It's a big, bright, shining star. This bike is amazing. It's been such a blast ripping this thing for the last 2 days. And all I can say is I can't wait to get one for a long-term review to rip the Oz trails and see what it can do there. The fact that they touched every piece on a bike that was absolutely amazing and made it better, I can't say I'm shocked because I kind of expected it. Thoroughly impressed. Can't wait to get some more time on it. Can't wait to spend the next 3 days shredding the red here at the Sedona Mountain Bike Festival and riding a few other bikes. So, man, keep your eyes peeled because we got more coming. Peace out, dumpers.